Hi teacher, I will present a small comparison between Colombia, Sudan, and United States. In Sudan, electricity is terribly limited for a significant part of the population. Only 63% of the Sudanese population has access to electricity, while in Colombia, fortunately, almost 90% of Colombians have electricity, and the United States wonderfully has 100% access. In the United States, it is awful that people are not friendly and do not talk to strangers. On the other hand, the people of Sudan are fascinating because people are friendly and help you when you need something. Similarly, we are the majority of Colombians who are known for our effusive expression of feelings that characterizes of wonderful. In Colombia, we enjoy an incredibly diverse gastronomy with extremely tasty dishes such as bandeja paisa, ajiaco, and great variety of tropical fruits. In the United States, the cuisine is highly varied, influenced by countless cultures with truly exotic dishes. Sudan, on the other hand, presents a cuisine with deep African and Arabic roots, characterized by intensely pies, casseroles, bread, and considerable use the legumes. In terms of clothing, in Colombia, we generally dress in a casual, diverse, and colorful manner, adapting to the tropical climate with slightly cool garments. In the United States, fashion varies greatly by region and personal style, ranging from insanely casual to extremely elegant or attire. And dress in Sudan is often deeply traditional and modest. Thanks for listening to this little comparison of these three special places. Bye.